Hello viewers, welcome to this brand new video. From this tutorial, have a look sequence syntax, how to create sequence to user from sys, how to create sequence. Sequences. A sequence can automatically generate unique numbers. Is a shareable object, can be used to create a primary key value, replace application code, speed up the efficiency of accessing sequence values when cached in memory. Sequence syntax: create sequence, then a schema, which is optional, then sequence name, and after that incremented by start with integer, max value integer, no max value, min max value integer, no max min value, cycle, no cycle, cache integer, no cache, order, no order. We just want to open the SQL Plus. So SQL Plus run as administrator. Here we just want to log in with DB167 user connected. So now we will create a sequence. Here the sequence create sequence, then employees underscore employee underscore ID. This is the column name, and after that sequence. Actually, this is the and then we to give the increment value by 1. Start with value 1, then max value, which is 9999, and then no cache. No cache means it will not generate the next value when generating 1. No cycle means after the reaching max value it will not generate a file from started 1. So this is the snippet for sequence. This is SQL Developer. Here we just want to select the user DB167 users sequences. So here we just want to select a short form user sequences. Here after executing this query snippet, we can see the sequence name for this user, employee underscore employee ID. See here the max min value, all the details here, a specific index. So now we will go to now, and this is the employee table EMP table creation, employee ID number, and here the sequence that we have created in previous section. So yeah, we need to use this by using this way: employee sequence name, then its NEXTVAL, not null, employee name, and then salary. So this is the use case of sequence in our newly created table. So if I execute this snippet, our table, this table already exists in objects. So first I need to drop this table. First drop table emp. After executing this, table emp dropped. So if I execute this query snippet again, okay, EMP table created successfully. So this is the practical use of sequence in our newly created table. So I just want to insert some values in EMP table. So if I execute this snippet, here we just want to set the EMP name and salary, and ID value for employee ID will be generated from sequence. So 3 records are inserted in EMP table, and all the possible employee IDs values will be populated from sequence. So if I execute this query snippet, register from EMP order by EMP ID. Here the records we have inserted in table. Here the possible records for EMP underscore ID 1, 2 and 3 populated from sequence. So in this way we can use a sequence in our real life table. So thank you for watching this video.